today we are celebrating a special day. It's Women's Day. Say hi to my wife. Happy Women's Day to the most beautiful girl I know. And we decided that we will come to Absolute Barbecue, which is located in Hinjewadi. And the ratings are amazing on Google. We'll see how good the experience is. This is the barbecue. They've just set it up.
When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems turning into love song.
This is the Pani Puri section. थोड़ा मीडियम मीठा बनाना भैया. It is so tasty. Yum. This is the crispy corn that I've heard a lot about. Really tasty. Here comes the kebab. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? वाटरमेलन है. पनीर. हाँ ठीक है. पाइनएप्पल. I think this is potato. Some chutneys. Crispy corn. This crispy corn is so amazing. I can just keep having this, you know. Yes. क्या है? क्या है?
Amaranth spread, sir.
Okay.
Amaranth spread.
Potatoes है क्या? आलू है ना? आलू. बस स्टार्टर्स ही स्टार्टर्स आने वाले हैं अभी. I'm going to start having my favorite paneer tikka. कोई नहीं, just take it out, no? Let's try it with some chutney that they have here. So here are the complimentary mocktails. Thank you. Let's just give everything a shot. This looks like mustard. Let's see. The food is amazing. So far, all the starters have been great. I want some more of the crispy corn. Really enjoying the starters here. Everything is just freshly cooked. They're very generous. They keep asking every 5 minutes, do you want a refill for the starters? Food heaven. Fresh lime soda. It's nice. Never tried that. Watermelon kebab before, so I don't know what to expect. Let's just give it a shot. Here goes the watermelon kebab. It's roasted. I don't know what to say. It's not bad. I'm just not used to the flavor of barbecued watermelon. I think I'll give that a pass. A quick panoramic view of this restaurant just now. This is the Pani Puri counter. There is a pasta and noodle counter behind that. Here is the dessert counter. Behind me is the main course counter. Starters. And then the breads that you want, you have to ask the waiter and he'll get the roti and naan for you. This is truly unlimited food. Eat as much as you can. And I don't think there's any compromise on the quality, even though the concept is unlimited. And they have a huge seating space. So they are producing some serious quantity of food, but everything's just very tasty. What do I have next? There's just too much variety. I don't know what to eat. Anyway, the mushrooms are here now. I have not tried that, so let's give it a shot. Mushrooms. Sorry?
आज का स्पेशल डे कुछ है आपका?
Thank you. Such a nice guy. He's asking me if it's a special day for me today, maybe a birthday or something. This is the live counter right now. So you can choose between all these things. Wow. So they're going to be making noodles there, I believe. ये सब veggies जाएंगे ना. I am high on starters right now. I've had so many starters. I can't believe there are so many more courses to go. I've not even touched the main course yet. I'm still having these starters. I'm stuffing myself with paneer. I love paneer. Noodles, which are made to order. You choose the veggies that I showed you some time back, and then the chef stir fries everything and serves it to you. So let's try this now.
How is it?
Decent. Not even requesting for it. The chef has been nice enough to serve some dish called bhuna paneer. I think this is paneer cooked in the Chinese way. And let's try it now. But that's so nice of them, yeah. I mean, we didn't even order this, and they got it for us. Let's give it a try.
Bhuna paneer na.
Yeah, it's nice. It's got the Chinese flavor, which is, I mean, what can go wrong with that? And the paneer is really soft, very soft. Taking a little bit of a break. Some lemon soda. I have very quickly hijacked my wife's drink.
As always.
This is the kiwi something. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, it is a sweet drink, but yeah, it's very refreshing. Good choice to come here, I think. This place has turned out to be a pleasant surprise. I've never come here before. On Google, there are 10,000 plus ratings and 4.3 stars. So yeah, thank you. Thoda sa ho gaya. So I had high expectations from this place, and I must say they have delivered. Really good. So I took a break of 10 minutes because I was eating too much food too quickly. I think I'm ready to move to the main course, but I've not seen the menu. Let's just go there and find out. Okay, so this is the main course now. Rice, some noodles and Manchurian. Nice. My God, this is never-ending food, unending food. Some raw vegetables. I was feeling a little guilty after eating all that. It's important to have fiber in your diet. That's why I'm having them. So this is what the main course looks like. This is just too much for one day. So what is this? Dahi vada. And everything is surprisingly good. You know, the thing is, when there is so much food on the table, you don't expect everything to be good, right? But here, almost everything is damn good. This truly has been an experience to come to this place, Absolute Barbecue. Very happy with the food, service, very friendly staff. So tell me guys, for how many of you is Dal Makhani the benchmark of every restaurant? But for me, I judge the restaurant's quality by the way they make Dal Makhani. And Dal Makhani is on the menu. So let's try it out. Let's try the Dal Makhani now. It's really good. It's full of ghee. I can taste the ghee and the butter. This restaurant has passed with flying colors in terms of quality, service, the sheer variety of food. What is this? Corn and palak sabzi. Everything is good, man. There's no wonder this place has got such good ratings. But if I had to choose, then I would have to say it's the paneer tikka. So happy Women's Day, Moini. Having fun?
Awesome. Everything is so good here. Satisfying my cravings today.
Excellent. I went heavy on the starters, and then I went really easy on the main course because that's the only way I'm not feeling all that full. I am obviously full, but I didn't stuff myself to the point where it's uncomfortable. There's one more course remaining. That's the dessert waiting for me right there. My wife is already at it. Here's the dessert counter. Jalebi, brownies, lots and lots of cake and burfis. Hello, hi. कौन सा आइसक्रीम है भैया?
सर आइसक्रीम सर वनीला बटरस्कॉच चॉकलेट स्ट्रॉबेरी 5 फ्लेवर आइसक्रीम होगा.
पान फ्लेवर आइसक्रीम. Yummy. Which one was this? It was really. Pineapple cake. That was it from us. It was an amazing lunch and happy Women's Day. बहुत खा लिया boss. This was more food than I usually eat and it was really delicious. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.